Hola amiguitos! Hello friends! Today we're going to read a book, but first let's learn how we spell house and the sign for house. Hoy vamos a leer un cuento, pero primero vamos a ver cómo se escribe casa y la seña de casa. House. House. En español, casa. Casa. Y la seña de casa, the sign for house, you're going to take your hands, make the roof. Con las manos hacer el techo y luego los lados. And then the sides. House. Casa. Vamos a ver la palabra casa mucho en nuestro libro hoy. We're going to see the word house in our book today many times. Ahora, saquen este libro de su bolsa. Take this book out from your bag. Today we're going to read The Three Little Pigs and the Somewhat Bad Wolf by Mark Teague. Once there were three little pigs. They lived on a farm as most pigs do, and were happy, as most pigs are. Then one day the farmer told them that he and his wife were moving to Florida. He paid the pigs for their good work and sent them on their way. The three pigs. Los tres cochinitos. Let's buy potato chips, said the first pig. Let's buy soda pop, said the second pig. Let's buy building supplies, said the third pig, who was altogether unpig-like. ¿Ya se van? ¿Se van a mover? Reluctantly, the others agreed. The first pig decided to build a straw house. Since straw is cheap, he had plenty of money left over for potato chips. Straw. Paja. He is going to build a house with straw. Va a construir una casa hecha de paja. The second pig decided to build a stick house. Sticks are practically free, so he had lots of money left over for soda pop. He bought soda. Compró soda. Here's the second pig. Él va a hacer su casa de palos. The third pig decided to build a brick house. Bricks and mortar are expensive, but the man at the hardware store gave her a sandwich. El tercero compró ladrillos. Aquí están los ladrillos. Va a hacer su casa de ladrillos. Brick house. Soon the straw house was finished. It was dusty and musty, but the first pig did not mind. He rocked in his hammock and ate potato chips. Ya terminó su casa de paja y está comiendo sus papitas. Soon after that, the stick house was done. It was small and there was no room for a bathtub, But the second pig did not mind. He took a mud bath and drank sody pop. El segundo ya terminó su casa de los palos y ahora está tomando su soda. Brick by brick, the third pig worked on her house. Sometimes the other pigs would come by to watch. They had a wonderful time. Y aquí está la tercera, terminando su casa de ladrillos. Finally, the brick house was finished. It was big, beautiful, and strong. The third pig was very happy. She filled the basket with vegetables from her garden. Ya terminó su casa. The next day, a wolf came to town. He was very hungry and somewhat bad. He went to a donut shop, but it was closed. He went to a hot dog stand, but it was locked. Finally, he went to a pizza parlor, but he wasn't allowed in. He left in a very bad mood. Llegó un lobo y no lo dejaron entrar a agarrar comida y está muy, muy enojado. Aquí está el lobo. The wolf. Soon he came to the straw house. It smelled like pig. I like pig, he said, not in a friendly way. He banged the door. Who is it? Called the first pig. The wolf, open up, or I'll blow your house down. I think the door is stuck, said the pig. So the wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. I can't believe that worked, he said. He had never blown down a house before. Quickly, the first pig got on his scooter and sped away. Ya se va. El primero se va a ir. The wolf moved on, hungry but confident. He came to another house, this one built of sticks. Same piggy smell, he said. He knocked on the door. Who is it? Said the second pig. Wolf, open up or I'll blow your house down. Trust me, he added. I've done it before. I think the door is jammed, said the pig. So the wolf took an enormous breath. And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down. And the stick house blew away. Se voló la casita de los palos. Y ya se va el segundo. I'm amazed that works, he said. Meanwhile, pig number 2 got on his bike and rode away. The wolf was still very hungry. Very, very hungry. The hungry wolf came to the beautiful brick house. He noticed a familiar scooter and bicycle, and the house reeked of pig. the somewhat bad wolf rang the doorbell. Ding dong. Who is it? Called the pigs. The wolf. Open up, or I'll blow your house down. Oh no, said the pigs. Not now. We are watching our favorite show. The starving wolf took a humongous breath, and he huffed, and he puffed, and he huffed, puffed, huffy puff puff. And the huffing and puffing stopped. The third pig said, "Do you think he's still out there?" The three pigs looked through the window and saw the wolf collapsed on the lawn. "Look at the poor guy," said the first pig. "He's exhausted. Maybe he needs some potato chips." The second pig added, "And some sody pop." Se cansó el lobo. No pudo destruir la casa de ladrillos. The three pigs revived the wolf with some smelling salts and invited him in. The somewhat bad wolf was embarrassed. "I was so hungry, I could not think straight." "Have a potato chip," said the first pig. "Have a sody pop," said the second pig. "Never mind that stuff," said the third pig. "Dinner's almost ready." Los cochinitos le querían dar papitas y soda, y ahora le van a dar algo de comer. Since their houses were wrecked, the first two pigs moved in with the third pig. "My house, my rules," she said. She made them clean their rooms before they went out to play. Están jugando todos, los cochinitos y el lobo. The wolf stayed too. But there was no more huffing and no more puffing, and he was hardly ever bad again. Ahora son amigos, los cuatro. They are all friends now. Y colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. The end. Adiós.